understanding and putting into practice the beginning sounds. That's what we are going to do. So, write the beginning sound. We are now doing write the beginning sound. Okay? Write the beginning sound. Now, all the sounds we have done, we are going to do now some pictures for you to know. Okay. Now, look. What is that? Bat. How will you say? Bat. Now, supposing I tell you write the spelling now, how will you write? I'll tell you that sound, you simply write it down, then we'll check it here. B, b, a, t, t, t. You got it? B. What is that letter? B. A. What is that letter? A. T. What is that T? T. Very good. So, now we say we are writing the beginning sound. I am writing only A. T. What is the beginning sound of this B? You see that? Now, we go to another word. You must think of the beginning. Now, we will do a dictation. Keep the paper ready. Now, we have, you will put the beginning sound, okay? What is that? Now, you have K, A, P. Again, I will say K, A, P. Very good. Now, again, A. What is the last sound? P, P. P. Now, you are going to put in the, what is this? Cap. What is the beginning sound? K. Now, say this together. K, A, P. Cap. Very good. Now, we go to another one. What is this? What is that? What do you have on top? Put your lips like that. F, A, N. Write it again. F, A, N. Very good. So, the last two are A, N. What is the first sound? F, fan. So, you got the last. I'll give you one more picture. Now, what is that? A, T. Ha. Second sound, A, T, T, T. And you put in the first sound for me now. What is that? Ha. Very good, hat. Now, we will do some more. Now, what is this? Now, we will do that. Remember jelly? J. A. J. A. G, G, G. Okay, you have J. Second sound, last one, G. So you got the two sounds. Now you tell me the first sound. J. Very good. That is your first sound. Take it again. J. G, G, G. Okay, another one. Now let's look at this. E. P, P, P. What's the second one? E. P. Now what is the first sound? L. That is the first sound. L. E. P. Now we go to another one. Okay, here we have now P, A, N, P. What the middle one? A, N. First sound you will tell me now. What the first sound? P. The first sound. Now we will do one more. Now let's say this. D, O, G, G, G. D, 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 D. D, 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 D. O, G, G, G. O, G. What is the first sound? O, G, G, G. What is the first sound? D. What do you do the drum? D, 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 D. So you get the first sound, dog. Now look at the first sounds here. I will do one more list for you. One more list I will do it for you. Here we have, now the first sound, T, 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 T. R. Then A and A. First is T, 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 T. R. A. Twice. Now what is the first sound? T, T. Tree. First sound. Okay. Now I do another picture for you. Let's see. And we'll do K, A, T, T, T. K, A, T, T, T. I'll write the last two, A and T. What's the first sound I told you? K. First sound is cat. Okay. Here one. Okay, ready? First sound. S. So I'll write the two sounds for you. And what is the first sound? You got it? Sun. The first sound. Okay? We are going to look at the picture, say each sound, and then write the ending sound. So I'll draw a picture for you. You will write the letters listening to the sound. Finally, write the ending sound. Okay? That's what we are going to do. Write the ending. We are going to do the ending sound. First, I'll do a picture for you. And then you write the spelling. Okay? First, I have here a picture. Now, you write the spelling of this. How we do this? K. We are clicking K. So we got two sounds now. K. Now we are talking about what is the last ending sound. P. The last sound is P. Cup. K. P. Cup. Now another picture. Now take your pencil. K, A, R. So you write that first sound. Ka. A. And the last sound. R. Rip. R. Car. K, A. And the last sound, ending sound, car. Okay? Another one. Now, B, A, B. You wrote B? Yes. B, and the last sound, S. Remember the snake? The last sound is S. Bus. B, S. Very good, bus. Now we will do another sound. Now look at the picture. Okay. B, E, Inky the mouse. B, B, E, Inky the mouse. R sound. And finally, what is the ending sound? Bird. D. That is the ending sound. D. You see? B, E, D. You got the bird. Now we will do some more pictures. Now we have here another picture. Okay. Ready? F. Yes, very good. O. O. Very good. And the last sound. X. Very good. The last sound. F. O. Take an X-ray. X. Fox. Very good. Now another sound will take. Now look at this. Okay. Now write down. B. O. Wa. Bo. So last sound is B. Ho. Bo. The last sound is bo. Okay. One more sound. Okay. Write that sound. Very good. And now this last sound. Very good. The last sound is F. Leaf. Then we have okay. Next spelling. Ready? B. E. B. Very good. And the last sound. D. The last sound. D. Very good. Bed. So we learned how to listen to sound, write the sound, write the ending sound. That's what we learned now. Now we are going to look at the picture. We will do the spelling. I'll say the sound, you write it. Fill in with the correct vowel sound. Okay? And that's what we are going to do. Write the vowel sound in each of those. Okay, write the vowel sound. I will do the picture for you. Here you have a picture. All right. Let us say the first sound. B. What is that B sound? B. O. Bo. And the next we have X. What is that sound? Take an X-ray. B, O, X, box. Now, what is the vowel that came here? O. That we'll write it in red, box. B, O, X. Next one. Now, ready? T. T. What sound is that? What letter? T. Then you have to write the middle sound, vowel. And what is this actually? Tin. T. E, inky. What is the last sound? And what is the vowel sound? Inky. E. T-I-N. Tin. We'll take another word. Now look at them. Okay. P. What is the first sound? P. Very good. Inky. E. Very good. So I write the last sound. What is the vowel sound here? Ink. E. Pin. All right. Then another one. All right. First sound. Very good. First sound ha. We don't write the second sound. Last sound t, t, t. Very good. The last sound is t. Now what is the inner sound? The vowel sound a. A. Hat. Ha. A. T. Then now what is this? Let's write the spelling of this. I'm not writing the middle sound. T. G, g, g. What a gurgle. G. Very good. Then what is that sound? U, M, U, G. Mug. Very good. We'll do one more now. First sound. B. Very good. B. Last sound. T, t, t. The last sound. T. And what is the vowel sound? A. Bat. Bat. Here we have another one. Again, first sound P, first sound P, second sound, or leave it P. The last sound is and the vowel sound E, pin. How do you crack the egg? Pen, okay? Then we have something here. The first sound T. What is the first sound? T. And the last sound B, 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 B. And the middle sound that is U sound, isn't it? So you have tub, okay? Then maybe I'll do one more. First sound L, okay? The first sound L, and the last sound G, G, G. Very good. G, and the middle sound is E, leg. So you have L, E, and go, leg. So now look at all the words we have done. We have put in vowels in the middle, writing vowel sound in each of the pictures. You have box, hat, pen, tin, mug, tub, pin, bat, leg. And remember the sound B or S, box, ha, a, t, hat, p, a, pen. Then we have t, e, tin, g, mug, and we have t, and b, tub. And then we have p, e, pen, b, a, t, bat, l, e, go, leg. So you learned the sound and learned to put in vowels in each spelling.